Hello and welcome to this tutorial. I am William, the computerized voice, and I am really excited to introduce you to our Proxmox Mail Gateway 6.2 solution. The Proxmox Mail Gateway is an open-source email security solution protecting your mail server against all email threats. It is a full-featured mail proxy deployed between the firewall and your mail server, and you can control all incoming and outgoing email messages with a focus on spam and virus detection. The Proxmox Mail Gateway 6.2 is based on the latest Debian Busted 10.3 with a 5.4 long-term supported Linux kernel, and it comes with ZFS included. If you are new to Proxmox Mail Gateway, we recommend to start reading the administration guide in the documentation. Just click on the documentation button and you will see the always up-to-date documentation. The before queue filtering can now be comfortably enabled in Proxmox Mail Gateway 6.2 with a simple click in the web interface, and the logs can be displayed. Instead of accepting and silently discarding unwanted email, the Mail Gateway can optionally reject an email during the SMTP dialog. By answering with a permanent failure code 554, there is no need to generate a non-delivery report. As some cloud providers send out one email from different IP addresses within a large network, this usually leads to a rather long delay and sometimes even to a legitimate email being rejected. With Proxmox Mail Gateway 6.2, the administrator can now configure which hosts should be considered to belong to the same network by setting a larger or smaller prefix instead of using /24. This works on IPv4 and IPv6. We have extended the PMG log tracker, the binary at the core of the Proxmox message tracking center, and we have re-implemented it in the Rust programming language. The PMG log tracker is responsible for providing the live searchable and grouped logs displayed on the web-based admin interface. In this tutorial, let's analyze the emails sent to office@proxmox.com in the defined time frame, including the gray-listed emails. Normally, I'll see processed and accepted emails or rejects due to DNS blacklists. With the improvements to gray listing, the initially gray listed email from gmail.com was accepted just a few minutes later. If we compare the two different sender IP addresses, we can see that both addresses are in the same network. On the Spam Quarantine viewer, we have included quite useful improvements. We have highly improved the search box. Or you can now display the subject and from field of the email. The detailed spam information or the raw email is still useful. On the end-user Spam Quarantine interface, we added a language selector. The interface is available in 20 languages, so you can choose your preferred one. All system packages have been updated, and we have added several small improvements on many places. For more details, please check out the release notes. We hope you'll enjoy working with Proxmox Mail Gateway 6.2. Thanks for watching.